So today I'm going to show you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. We're going to have the app loaded up here in real time and go step by step. Now, of course, you do need to have the Cash App downloaded. I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes below. Now, that does give you a $15 bonus just for signing up. Once you go ahead and go through that process, this is what you're going to see on your main screen. And then what we're going to do is actually click on the second most right-hand icon. Kind of looks like a little squiggly line moving on up. So when we click on that, it's going to take us to the investing portion of Cash App. Now you can see at the top there it says stock, and right next to that you're going to see where it says Bitcoin. So we're going to click on that and you can buy Bitcoin instantly. So you're going to see two options right underneath that Bitcoin little logo. It says buy or the arrow. The arrow is actually to be able to spend money with Bitcoin, but what we're going to do is click on the buy option here. And we're going to be able to buy Bitcoin with as little as $1 up to as much as we want. We can hit that little three dots on the right side over there, and we can put in whatever amount we want. And then also too, you can see at the very top there, it says standard one-time order. If you click on that, it will give you the option to be able to deposit more frequently. There is a $10 minimum in order to do that. So keep in mind, if you want to be purchasing on a regular basis, you do need that $10. So we're going to go ahead and just do the $1 here today. We're going to go ahead and click on next right over here. Does my Face ID. Goes through this loading and it confirms everything here for us. Just verify everything looks correct for you as far as the amount, the exchange rate, everything else. There are fees on this too. So you can see there's a 3-cent fee. So even though I'm putting in $1, 3 cents is going to be a fee there. So we're going to go ahead and click on confirm right over here. It's going to go through this process. Once it loads up, it says you have purchased 0.00005017 shares. We click on done. Now, if you actually want to learn more on how to utilize Cash App to all of its features, check out my video right over here to do just that. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.